In a quiet village surrounded by large fields and winding rivers, there lived an old master named Ravi. He was known for his wisdom, patience, and calm demeanor. People came from far and wide to seek his guidance, hoping to find clarity in the chaos of their lives. One warm afternoon, a young boy named Kiran arrived at the master's humble hut. Kiran was restless, filled with frustration over his inability to achieve his dreams. "Master," he said, "I try so hard, but everything falls apart. Why is success always out of reach?" The master smiled gently and beckoned Kiran to follow him outside. They walked to a nearby garden where butterflies fluttered among the flowers. "Look at the butterfly," the master said, pointing to one resting delicately on a leaf. "Do you see the wings?" Kiran nodded. "The butterfly's wings are fragile, yet they carry it across vast distance. But the butterfly doesn't force its flight. It moves with the wind, adapting to every breeze," the master explained. Kiran frowned. "But how can I succeed if I don't force things to happen? Isn't force supposed to bring results?" The master shook his head. "True effort is not about forcing. It is about patience and understanding when to move forward and when to wait. Sometimes struggling against the wind only tires us." Kiran thought deeply as they continued to watch the butterfly dance in the sunlight. "Master, how do I learn to move like the butterfly?" Kiran asked. Master picked up a small feather and handed it to the boy. "The feather teaches you to be light. Let go of heavy burdens, anger, fear, doubt. This weigh you down and block your path." Kiran held the feather, feeling its softness. Now the master said, "Practice moving with the winds of life. When you meet resistance, don't fight it. Instead, flow around it, learn from it, and let it carry you forward." Days turned into weeks. Kiran practiced. He faced setbacks, but each time he reminded himself of the butterfly's wings and the feather's lightness. Slowly, he found a new rhythm. He stopped forcing results and instead working with patience and grace. His dreams didn't vanish. They grew closer, touched by steady persistence. One evening, Kiran returned to the master's hut, this time calm and smiling. "Master," he said, "I understand now. Success is not a battle to win, but a dance to join." The master nodded, pleased. "Yes, Kiran, life has greatest lessons come when you learn to move with its rhythm, not against them." And like the butterfly in the garden, Kiran spread his wings, light, free, and ready to soar.